Hello everyone, I'm King Joseph P. Tabao, and I'm going to demonstrate you how I solve the problem in the section by instilling and applying matrices. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang matrix A, meron siyang 4 rows and 3 columns, so it's a 4 by 3 matrix. Yung B naman, meron siyang 3 rows and 2 columns, so siya ay 3 by 2 matrix. So kapag minultiply natin yung matrix A tsaka B by B, so ang A natin ay 4 by 3, ang B natin ay 3 by 2. In order to multiply these two matrices, the columns in the first matrix, ito yon, has to equal the number of rows in the second matrix. So ito yung rows. So kita nyo naman, equal sila. And the order of matrix AB is going to be the product of these two numbers. So itong 4 at saka 2. So the order of AB is going to be a 4 by 2 matrix. I forgot to mention that when you write the order, you start with the rows and then you multiply by the columns. So yan, kita nyo. Row times column. Tatlong row, tapos 2 columns. So simulan natin sa pag-multiply sa row 1 tsaka column 1. Okay lang natin lahat yung value dyan. Tapos dati siya sa 1 times 2. So 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1 plus 4 times 3. 4 times 3, so ito ay 2 plus 0 plus 12. So answer dito ay 14. So dahil ang pinag-times natin ay row 1 tsaka column 1, ilalagay natin siya dito sa first row. So ito ay first row, second row, third row, fourth row, first column and second column. So ating gawin, multiply naman natin yung second row sa first column. Kuhanin lang natin ulit lahat ng value. So 2 times 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 3. So ito ay 4 plus 1 plus 3. So 4 plus 1 plus 3 is 8. So ang ginawa natin, multiply natin yung second row sa first column. So doon natin ilalagay second row first column yung 8. So dito, yan. So natin gawin, multiply natin yung third row sa first column. Kuha lang natin ulit lahat ng elements. So 3 times 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 2 times 0 plus 3. 0 times 3, my bad. So 6 plus 1 plus 0. So ito ay 7. So ilagay natin ito sa third row, 7. So sa fourth row, times natin sa first column. Kuha lang natin at yung lahat ng value. So 0 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times 3 equals 0 plus 2 plus 6. So it's 8. So lagay lang natin sa row 4 yung 8. So tapos na tayo sa first column. So it's always going to be row times the column and then you add the products together. So kita nyo dyan. Kaya natin yung times natin yung row by column, then we add, and then we get the answer. Yan, simulan na natin sa dalawang column. So ganun lang din. Kuha natin yung elements sa first row, tapos multiply natin dito sa second column. So 1 times 4 plus 0 times 1 plus 4 times 0 is equals 4 times 1 is 4. 0 times 1 is 0 plus 4 times 0 is 0. So, 4 siya. So, ilalagay natin siya sa first row kasi ang ginawa natin, times natin yung ito, first row, second column. Sa second column, so dito natin siya ilalagay sa yung 4. So, natin gawin, multiply natin yung second row sa second column. So, 2 times 4 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 0. So, 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. So, it's going to be 9. Lagay natin siya sa second row, yung 9. Tapos, third row naman. 3 times 4 plus 1 times 1 plus 0 times 0. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 0 is 0. 2 plus 1 is 13. So, ang third row natin ay 13. Third row sa column natin ay 13. Tapos, sa fourth row natin, 0 times 4 plus 2 times 1 plus 2 times 0. 0 times 4 is 0. 2 times 1 ay 2. 2 times 0 is 0. So, 2. So, as you can see, we did get that AB is a 4 by 2 matrix. It has 4 rows and 2 columns.